Hello viewers, welcome back again in another exciting video. Beloved, I am here to share with you another interesting topic concerning how you can roast your enemy using natural or simple ingredients. We all know that the Bible has already given us the order to suffer our enemy never to live, that is, suffer not the wish to live. If you have a disturbing enemy for years, they have been tormenting you, they have been denying your blessing, they have been taking what rightfully belongs to you that God has meant for you to take, and because of their enviness, you cannot be able to get it. And you have been struggling for years to make sure that you find a lasting solution, and it seems like solution is not coming, and you're tired. You're even planning on how to commit suicide because of this. Now, do not go ahead and commit suicide, because this video is for you. All I want you to do is to please watch this video to the end to know how you can burn your enemy into ashes, never in this life to torment you again. And by God's grace, through this assignment, God will use it to set you free if you believe. But before I go into that video, I would like to use this opportunity to welcome our newest subscribers in the building. You guys are highly welcome for stopping by. And to our OGs, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Trust me, I do not take your love for granted. Okay, guys, back to the topic. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that red button that says subscribe, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get notification. Okay, like I said, this year is a year of pressure, no mercy to our enemy. By God's grace, if you believe, so shall it be. Now, to burn your enemies into ashes, there are a few things that you need to get for yourself. One, you need a black candle, which you are seeing on my table. You need a black candle, okay? Two, you need what? Alligator pepper. Let it be an Igbo alligator pepper, okay? Three, you need what? Pen. Four, you need a white parchment paper. You need a white parchment paper. Parchment paper, papers are sold in the market. But if you cannot get it, you can order it from us. How do you do this? If you know the names of those troubling you, write it. For example, you have a person that you are sure of. For example, the name of the person is Cheka. You write number 1. You write 1. Then you write what? Cheka. This is how you're going to do it. Cheka. You put you here, you will suffer. The sufferness. The sufferness that you wishes me. Check out underline. If they are 5, the same thing, the same sentence, okay? But whereby you don't know their names, all you have to do is to do what? To generalize it by saying like this: I want all my troubling enemies to be what? Destroyed, and suffer all that they wishes me. After that, get me your alligator pepper. Select only 21 seeds of this alligator pepper. When you select it like this, for example, let me just show you. Okay, when you select it like this, all right, you have to make your prayer holding it at your left hand. After making that prayer, guys, all you have to do is to do what? To put it inside this parchment paper. Put it inside this parchment paper and carefully roll the paper in. Okay, be making your prayer as you are rolling this paper in. That is how the life of your enemies will roll in. That is how their life will fold. That is how they will suffer. That is how they will squeeze their life. That is how God and the universe will squeeze their life. Okay, You make that prayer while you are rolling the alligator pepper. Okay, make sure that you roll everything, okay, like so. Okay, you roll it very well. Make sure that that alligator pepper is inserted well. You roll it, okay. Or if you cannot roll the alligator pepper in, you can blend it. Use thunderstone to blend it. Do not just blend it ordinarily. Okay, you can use thunderstone to blend the alligator pepper to ensure that you get your result from the alligator pepper. Okay, you can use thunderstone to do what? To blend the alligator pepper. Do not blend it on the blender, please. Okay, this is a spiritual battle that we are fighting. Okay, now after rolling it inside like this, use your what? Your scissors to secure the mouth like this, and then you place it on the fire. As you are placing it on the fire like this, be making your prayer that let all your enemies burn like this pepper. Let them burn to ashes. That prayer should be a very aggressive prayer. That as this pepper is burned, that is how the life of your enemy will burn. That is how the life of those who doesn't want you to succeed this year, 2023, will burn. That they will never know peace. They will burn like an ash. And after making that prayer, you will see that the pepper will burn thoroughly into ash form, and then allow you to cool down. And after that, the ash that come out from the pepper, guys, gather it. Do not gather it with your hand. Use something like broom to gather it, and then you dig a hole and bury it and see what is going to happen to your enemy. This particular assignment is a very powerful enemy to your is a very powerful assignment to your enemies, guys. Do not take it for granted. So that is the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this. Support this channel. Let this channel get to the permanent site. Okay, remember I said if you cannot insert the alligator pepper smoothly, you can use thunderstone. We sell thunderstone, original thunderstone, to blend it. Do not use your normal food blender. Do not pound it. Use thunderstone. It is a spiritual battle that we are fighting. Okay, thunderstone has its own spiritual benefit concerning enemy in this part of assignment. So guys, that is just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.